Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to amend a tax return on Jackson Hewitt. At first open any web browser and head over to jackson.com. On the home page click on the login option at the top right corner. Next select My JH account. After that here the login portal. Enter your username or email ID then enter your password. Next click on Sign In. Now, to amend your tax return file through Jackson Hewitt, you will need to follow the IRS procedure for filling an amend, which is going to involve filing out Form 1040X. First of all, head over to irs.gov. Then make sure to download the form for the tax year you are amending. You need to collect all the documents related to your original tax return. This may include W-2S form, 1900s, receipts, or other relevant paperwork. Fill out Form 1040X according to the instructions provided. You will need to provide details about your original tax return, the changes you are making, and the reason of those changes. Once you completed Form 1040X, you can mail it to the IRS. After you submitted your amend return, it may take some time for IRS to process it. So, that was all. Thanks for watching.